Dr. Bongani Mngcwango has officially joined the Inkatha Freedom Party, declaring confidence in the party's leadership, stability and growth potential as key factors behind his decision. Mngcwango was formally welcomed by the IFP president, Velenkosini Hlabisa, in Durban on Wednesday, where he donned the party's colors and delivered a strong message and said, "You can trust us." His move comes just weeks after his removal as Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, where he was replaced by Sibonelo Nomvalo. Mngcwango revealed that he had received 4 offers from different political formations, but ultimately chose the IFP after carefully assessing each organization. He cited the party's internal stability, experienced leadership and long-term vision as decisive factors, and said it's easy to be driven by excitement, but you risk frustration if you align yourself with people whose agenda differs from you. According to Mngcwango, the IFP relatively modest national footprint, holding outright majorities in 19 municipalities, just over 7% nationally, presents not a weakness but an opportunity. He described this as an appetizing challenge, suggesting that the party's size makes it more agile and better positioned to grow, even against larger, more established rivals. Mngcwango praised the IFP's leadership culture, highlighting what he described as a measured and mature approach to decision-making, and said, "You are dealing with leaders who don't act hastily or recklessly. There is thought behind every step," adding that this environment creates space for meaningful contributions and innovation. He also pointed to the legacy of Mangosuthu Buthelezi, the party's founder, noting that its original mission of serving and uniting South Africans remains relevant, though often undercommunicated, particularly to younger generations. Framing his move as part of a broader political vision, Mngcwango positioned the IFP as a unifying force in an increasingly polarized landscape and said, "You have extremes on both sides, those who want to preserve everything and those who want to radically change everything. Inkatha offers a platform for a win-win solution where South Africans can come together rather than compete in a win-lose environment." He described his decision to join the party as both timely and strategic, expressing confidence that his experience will benefit communities in KwaZulu-Natal and beyond. Welcoming Mngcwango, Hlabisa emphasized the depth of experience he brings from both private and public sectors. His career includes senior leadership roles at major healthcare organizations, positioning him as a valuable addition ahead of the upcoming local government elections. Hlabisa said his decision is a clear affirmation of the growing confidence in the IFP as a credible and values-driven political home. KwaZulu-Natal IFP chairperson Thamsanqa Ntuli echoed this sentiment, expressing optimism that Mngcwango's move could trigger a wave of defections from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and beyond, and said, "We are hopeful his presence will inspire many others to see the IFP differently and consider joining." As the political landscape continues to shift, Mngcwango's high-profile move signals a potential recalibration within opposition politics, one that the IFP hopes will translate into electoral momentum. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.